Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Express Scripts online pharmacy. Express Scripts, a detailed review of my experience. Express Scripts is a widely recognized online pharmacy offering a convenient and efficient way to receive prescription medications. It's perfect for those who prefer managing prescriptions from the comfort of their home, eliminating trips to a physical pharmacy. This service is especially helpful for individuals managing chronic conditions requiring ongoing medication, or for anyone looking to save time and avoid long pharmacy lines. My experience with their services has been overwhelmingly positive. One key advantage of Express Scripts is their comprehensive medication management system. Refilling prescriptions is simple and straightforward through their online platform. You can easily track your orders and even manage medications for your entire family. The automatic refill option is a valuable feature, ensuring you never run out of essential medications. This feature alone has provided significant peace of mind. Express Scripts also caters to those requiring specialty medications, providing personalized support through dedicated pharmacists. They offer expert advice and ensure medications are delivered accurately and promptly. I found their expertise and guidance invaluable. The user-friendly website and well-designed mobile app offer easy access to prescription tracking, order history, and even consultations with licensed pharmacists. Being able to connect with a pharmacist directly through the app is incredibly convenient. A major benefit of Express Scripts is their extensive network of partnerships with major health insurance providers. These partnerships can often translate to lower medication costs for eligible users. Checking for potential insurance savings is highly recommended. Express Scripts also boasts excellent customer service, readily available to address any questions or concerns. In my interactions with their customer service team, they were responsive and helpful. The delivery service is fast, secure, and discreet, ensuring medications arrive safely and confidentially. In summary, if you're searching for a reliable, efficient, and customer-centric online pharmacy, Express Scripts is an excellent choice. With a seamless process, dependable delivery, and dedicated support, you'll be well taken care of. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and to explore the services offered by Express Scripts.